Okay, we're trying this for the second time.
It's recording now.
It's recording.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just making sure. All right, we're going to try to go this a little quicker than we did last time because we got a little long-winded. So I'm David V. Cinelli _ Realtor. Why am I saying that? Anyway, I'm David Cinelli, a Realtor with Royal LePage, with my wife, Natalie. I'm not going to give you any other. Anyway, it's my wife, Natalie, from co-owner of Spaces Collective, and we're doing Stages Corner. All right. Try not to talk too fast because I hate having to re-record stuff. Okay. So today's topic, Natalie, what is included in a staging job? Do you change out lights? Do you clean floors? Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm waiting for the questions.
Do you vacuum? Do you take pictures? What do you do as a stager?
So, in a nutshell,
Nothing. What?
in a nutshell, is we come in when a house is properly prepped, and by properly prepped, I mean it's already clean, it's already decluttered, it's already painted. We will make recommendations before the job to tell people what to paint, what color to paint, if light fixtures need to be swapped out, and we can source what those are for an extra fee. Do we install them? No. Do we paint? No.
Do you clean?
Do we clean? No. This should all be done before we get on site. If a home is clean, the staging is going to look amazing. If a home is not clean, whatever staging we put in there is not going to look great.
Yeah.
You can't cover that up. Clean is like, I don't know. It's like the bottom line.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Well, I've even seen houses before of everything. There's even no staging, and as long as it's clean, it shows better. Obviously, having staging there looks better. But if I've seen places where it's just messy and you can't look past the mess or grimy floors and like that's
yeah. And it's really hard to see yourself in that because all you see is the people that live there.
Yeah,
right?
Kind of gross. This also includes when we're saying clean and decluttering. This also means going into like your bathrooms and like what else, like so
bathroom cabinets, closets, all of that.
Even in your shower, like listen, we know if you're living in the house during the selling process, we tell you beforehand, get a little caddy, put it underneath the sink, but you can't have anything on display like your poofy. Nobody wants to see your poof.
See your toothbrush.
Oh no,
yeah,
not yourself. Or what about dirty dishes? You don't put them away in the dishwasher for people?
No, I put my rubber gloves on and I wash them. Of course, like
sure, it's part of the staging job,
anyway,
right?
So, and we say all these things because obviously it's like a disclaimer on a bottle because these things have happened.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, I would say we don't do anything beyond making it look, I guess, elevating it from a clean slate to start with.
And then as the homeowner, it's your job to keep it as clean as possible as well. If you have white sheets, maybe you just don't want to live in your house for a week. How about that?
Well, yes.
Yeah, that's probably the best thing. Because, I'm not going to go. We've had stories about that too, and we're not going to digress.
That's for the memoir book.
That's for the bloopers, or like kind of like never do this kind of shit. So anyway, all right. So if somebody wants to get in touch with you,
you can send us a DM at spaces.collective on Instagram, and we are now booking officially for January.
Great. And I'm David V. Cinelli _ Realtor on Instagram, and you can just find me on Facebook and stuff. Depending on whatever channel you're following. The best way to get in touch with them is through Instagram. I'm accessible all over the place. I'm just that kind of guy. So if you have any topics you want us to talk about next time, please let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Bye for now.